Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm now here looking at these beautiful Residence at the Grove apartments, Residences at the Grove in Uptown Dallas. So this is part two. We're in the model. We're gonna go into the bedroom and bath. So this is the bedroom. Man, it's a really big feeling bedroom in here. Really like it. So that feels, I think that's, it's either queen or king, I can't tell. But it's really big bed. Feels great, looks great, and it's got a nice window, so you got a fantastic light in here. And then this is what the rest of the bedroom looks like. It's really, really nice, attractive. So we've got this in here, and now we're gonna walk in here and take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is dual sink. It's really pretty, attractive. This also has a separate shower. So it's got the separate walk-in shower, and then it's got a separate tub. So really nice. Again, that's kind of more of a high-rise kind of feel to me to have that separation. Not always, but it's more elegant. This is the closet in this case. So it's got some really good storage in this closet. And so that's what that looks like. I really like the feel in here. It feels just light, comfy, cozy, and yet a lot of room. So this is walking back out here just to remind you what this is like. Hey, if you like what you see here, what I would recommend is let's set up a tour for you. It doesn't have to be a in-person tour. We can do a live virtual tour. That's usually the best. Send me your information. Just say hi. Use my number below and just say, hey, I really like what I'm seeing, Grant. Send me a text, and then depending on what time of day is, we can get that virtual tour set up today or tomorrow. So look forward to hearing from you. Just say hi and just request a tour. You can also ask questions anytime for me about the Dallas area.